Best Amazon beauty finds under 30 bucks. Let's go. First is this travel mirror. It's super slim in design, so it can fit anywhere. It's LED, so it has 3 different light settings, and I love that it's USB rechargeable. Another great thing to take with you traveling are these compressed facial sponges. I love the heart design. When you take them out of the box, they are paper thin, but once you put them under water, they do expand. They're the perfect thing to wash your face. They come in a pack of 50 for 13 bucks. I would be lying if I said I didn't buy this strictly because of the packaging. I think it is so cute, and I love a good lip mask. My lips are always so dry, so this is the perfect find. Everyone needs this makeup sponge holder. It's under 7 bucks. It's perfect to keep you organized and your makeup bag mess-free. Let's talk beauty tools. These ice globes are perfect in the morning for depuffing the skin. Another good one is this Flawless Ice Roller, and this one's only 10 bucks. And then lastly, the Satin Pillowcase by Kitsch. I use this every single night. This is great for your skin and hair, and this one's only 19 bucks.
TikTok made me buy it. I am so bad about washing my brushes or having a place to put them when I do. This is a bundle set that comes with 10 makeup brushes, a brush cleaner, a sponge, and a drying rack. I love this all in one set.
Amazon Beauty Must-Haves Part 27. This lash case is perfect for traveling. It can fit up to 3 pairs of lashes, and it reduces so much space since you're not hauling those like multiple lash boxes with you. It also comes with a mini lash applicator, and I love how easy it just fits into my makeup bag. This is the best lash glue, hands down. It's less than 3 bucks on Amazon, and it works better than any expensive glue out there. It's super strong. It literally lasts me all day and night. Okay, I know a lot of people use this, especially acne-prone or combo skin types, but Cetaphil has a mask that has the exact same betanoid clay in it, and more importantly, it's formulated so that it won't over-dry or over-strip your skin. This is a great alternative for combo skin types. Amazon Beauty Favorites Part 24. This is the best invention ever. It's called Brush Bubble, which is basically a makeup brush cover. So you just slide it up from the ends of the brush to the bristle, and it keeps the bristles completely covered and clean. It also fits a lot of smaller brushes, and it keeps the inside of your makeup bags way cleaner. Amazon Beauty Favorites Part 26. This under eye massager is perfect for depuffing, but I also love that it helps to penetrate products deeper into the skin, so you're really maximizing those skincare benefits. If you struggle with applying self-tanner on your back, you really need this back applicator. It's super long, so it can cover all of those hard to reach places, and when I'm done, I can just throw it in the wash.
New Amazon favorite. This is an acrylic makeup sponge holder for beauty blenders or makeup sponges. It comes in a pack of 2 and is a perfect display holder for your sponge. I love that these holders allow your makeup sponge to dry. Click link in our bio to shop.
Amazon Beauty Favorites. I am obsessed with this straightening brush. It works so well. As you can see, my one side is already straight, so I'm straightening this side. It definitely works, and it's so easy and it's so fast. I highly recommend it.
TikTok made me buy it. This is a nail polish carrying case. It holds 36 different nail polishes and has a zipper pocket for your nail file. I love that all of my nail polish is now in one place and I can carry it on the go.
This is part 52 favorite Amazon finds. If you've heard of the Gua Sha tool to instantly depuff and drain your lymphatic system, this is the Gua Sha Comb for your scalp. This Gua Sha Comb is a jade stone. It's going to massage your head, increase blood flow to your scalp, and in return, that will increase and promote hair growth. Using light pressure, start at your hairline and move down towards the back of your head. Use it on the back of your neck to decrease tension.
Like for more, everything's tagged in the link in our bio. And don't forget, this is number 63 favorite Amazon find.
If you're looking to get big, voluminous hair this summer, then this product is definitely for you. It's a styling spray that creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air. Simply spray on dry hair from your roots to the ends and look at that volume. It's also cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and color-safe, free of silicones, phthalates, parabens. And an FYI, this will be on sale starting at midnight for Prime Day, so add it to your cart so you don't miss the sale. Follow us for more Prime Day sales.
Like for more, everything's tagged in the link in our bio. And don't forget,
This is part 57 favorite Amazon finds.
This cream to powder bronzing stick easily glides on the skin for the perfect contour.
It's under $10 and infused with organic jojoba oil, organic aloe vera, and hydrating antioxidants for the skin. My favorite way to use it is with a dampened beauty sponge. You can see how easily that it's blending out on my skin without even trying. I love that this does not contain any shimmer or glitter at all. And since it is cream to powder, it's long lasting.
more, everything's tagged in the link in our bio. And don't forget, this is part 60 favorite Amazon finds.
Okay, today we're sharing our new favorite cleanser. It is by Sunday Riley. This is perfect for sensitive skin. My skin is so sensitive and breaks out. The French green clay pulls oil, dirt, and pollution out of my skin. Double whammy, I'm sharing my favorite new oil. It is the CEO Glow. It contains vitamin C and turmeric. It will fight signs of aging and leave your skin so bright and so glowing. It worked wonders under my foundation.
Like for more, everything's tagged in the link in our bio. And don't forget,
This is part 70, favorite Amazon finds. Let me show you how I got my hair to look like this to this in one wash. My hair is bleached and it's also dry, kind of dull. This Color Security shampoo and conditioner is formulated with no parabens, no sulfates, cruelty-free, residue-free, vegan for super soft, hydrated, and silky hair. Next, I coated my hair with this humidity-proof, heat-activated anti-frizz hair treatment. This leaves your hair with mirror-like shine and lasts up to 3 shampoos. This acts like a mini keratin treatment and it works on all hair types. As you can see, my hair is so shiny. The humidity will stand no chance. Like for more, everything's tagged in the link in our bio, and don't forget
TikTok made me do it, Kim K version. Let's see if this thing actually works. Hello, nice and personal. We're still gonna try this though on this eye. I feel like it lifted them for like $6. Totally worth it. Like and follow for more reviews, and I will have it linked on my Amazon store.
Flaxseed oil. This is gonna fix your skin from the inside out.
Sold! We are gonna test this out. I've got a few breakouts, and who doesn't want clear skin for summer? After doing some research, it sounds like it tastes pretty horrible, so they say to do it with lemon juice and honey. Got a tablespoon, so you only take 1 teaspoon of this. So I'm just gonna put it in here. And then I'm not a huge fan of honey, so I'm just gonna try lemon juice. And here we go. Not bad. Lemon juice definitely helps. I can see how that'd be horrible to take by itself. Like and follow to see where my skin is at in a week.
Another Amazon haul for you, including the best lip plumper ever. I actually found this product on Instagram and it's like literally $11. And it comes with all this stuff. So I know it's like a little sus to use like random serums, but it comes with a mask applicator. I'll definitely use this charcoal black peel off mask. Years ago, I found this Too Faced lip injection, like $20. Amazon has a 3-pack and they're in different shades and flavors. And let me show you the before and after because this really does work and it really is like a nice lasting lip gloss too. So this is before, and here are my lips like 1 minute later. So it does burn a little, but it almost feels good. And like, it's just a really nice lip gloss and my lips are huge.
New Amazon favorite, this is the Bliss Jelly Glow Ball Cleanser. We are going to test this Jelly Glow Ball out. So I have a bowl of water right here. I'm about to put some on my face, and I have a full face of makeup on right now. So we are going to see how well this actually removes dirt, makeup, oil, all the stuff from your face. My hair is pulled back. It's time to get down to business and start wetting my face. So we're just gonna put water all over it. I'm gonna have full makeup, full mascara, some lipstick on. You're supposed to rub this in a circular motion. Wow, it's actually making a cleanser. I'm not sure how well it's gonna take my makeup off. Wow, you guys. This is working better than I expected, and it's getting my mascara off. I feel like I have a good amount of this on my face, so I'm gonna run in the bathroom and wash my face off. I just finished putting water all over my face, and I am so impressed with how well this worked. So it can last up to 45 uses. Click link in our bio to shop.